Dear students, how are you? I hope you are well. This time you are very concerned about coronavirus, but don't worry. You have to maintain some rules. You should take vitamin A and C. You have to take rest and sleep regularly. Dear students, besides, students are often affected by drugs sometimes. You should not take it. You must avoid it. Dear students, today we are discussing about making a difference. This is Unit 5 and lesson number 1 and 2. At first, we will read lesson number 1, and this is the beginning. Dear students, there is a small village called Bhawanipur in Jhangarh. It is a typical Bangladeshi place. People here spend their day-to-day life mostly working in the fields and doing household work. In this ordinary village, there lives an extraordinary woman named Shamima Akhtar Maya. Shamima's willpower and determination have made her extraordinary. She has seen the most cruel aspect of her life, but the cruelty could not defeat her spirit. She has come out as a winner, defying all the odds of life. Shamima is now 32 years old. She has only one son named Ashikur Rahman Kolok. She runs a small boutique called Oikko Nari Kollan Samstha in her village. Let's hear some Shamima how she succeeded in setting up her boutique. Dear students, next let us read the text lesson number 2, and this is flashback. Shamima started to tell us her story. Listening to her, we were stunned, and at the same time our hearts were filled with admiration for her. It was 1995. Shamima was 15 years old. She got promoted to class 8. Shamima had all the dreams of an adolescent. She wanted to bring about a change in her life. She wanted to see happiness in her family too. She knew she could fulfill her dream by completing her education and getting a good job. 15 years old, Shamima's dreams were nipped in the bud. Her father wanted to marry her off against her will. Marrying of a girl under 18 is against the law in Bangladesh. Shamima did not want to get married, but nobody paid heed to her. They arranged her marriage with a man much older than her. All her tears and protest went in vain. Shamima was married off to Kamaluddin Jolkar. Dear students, now I shall write some words on the blackboard. You have to know the synonym of these words. At first, typical, typical, symbolic, typical, symbolic, determination, a reserve, determination, a reserve, extraordinary, extraordinary, Andaman. Admiration, love or admiration, love or veneration, promote, advance, adolescent, brain, dear students, you have to know the synonym of these words. Dear students, now I shall give you some questions. You have to write these questions. At first, how do the people of Bhawanipur spent their daily life? What are made Shamima extraordinary? How she has become successful? How has she become successful? Why do you like Shamima? What has Shamima done make herself. Extraordinary. Dear students, you have to know the answer of these questions. Now, I shall give you a home task. You will read a paragraph, load shedding. Dear students, this time is very important because all educational institutions are closed, but do not waste your time. You have to read more and more. I wish you success. Thank you so much.